Hey y'all, it's me. I'm at Discount Tire. I was running run flat tires, but those tires got so noisy after 40,000 miles of Rideshare. The tires were just too noisy. So I'm replacing them with some inexpensive tires, very inexpensive. Like I'm getting 2 for 128 bucks. That's cheap. But it did say Discount Tires. So I'm changing up. We'll see how that works. I'm putting so many miles on the car that I got to be a little bit disposable. Hey, you got me fixed up?
Done.
All righty, good. I'll meet you inside.
All right, buddy.
Okay.
If I don't make it inside, they'll have the keys.
Somebody get me. Okay. That's a nice fella that wrote me up. And I see the car. One of my 3 cars. I have 3 cars I use for rideshare, but this is the workhorse. The other ones are electric. Can't do too much with an electric car. Nissan Leaf and Chevy Volt. Yep, got my tire on. Let's see if we can use these disposable tires for a minute. There they are. Okay. Brand spanking new. All right, the beat goes on. Don, over and out. Discount Tire. Give them a try. They're good folks.